Hey, what's up guys? You have just got the iPhone 17 Pro Max and ready to set it up for the first time. So let's go through the initial setup and get your iPhone 17 Pro Max activated. So the first thing which you need to do is to turn on your iPhone by long pressing on the power button until you see the Apple logo. After booting up, you will see the iconic hello screen. You just need to swipe up to begin. First, choose your language, then your region. Now choose your text and display size. Tap on continue. Then you will go to the quick setup page here. If you have an older iPhone, then you can bring it closer and transfer all of your data to your new iPhone. And if you don't need to do that, just tap on the setup without another device. Now find your Wi-Fi network from the list and connect it using your password. Now your iPhone will be activated for the first time. Now if you get a software update, it is recommended that you select update now. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be skipping it. Then tap on continue. Now if the iPhone is for a child, you can select it from here or you can choose adult for yourself. Now go ahead and set up your Face ID by scanning your face and tap on continue. Now after that, choose a password, which is very important. You can also change the password type by tapping on here. You need to enter the password twice. Now you will get to the option to transfer your app and data from iCloud or another device. We are going to choose don't transfer anything. Now you will need to sign in using your Apple ID, but if you don't use an Apple ID or want to create it later, then you can select forget password or don't have an account. Now you can have an option to create a new one or you can skip it by selecting setup later in the settings and don't use. Now choose if you want to enable auto update and go through the prompts to enable the Face ID and location settings. Now you will need to set up your eSIM or transfer it from the nearby iPhone. We will just skip it. Now you can enable screen time, which is very useful if you want to track your usage. Then choose whether you want to share additional data with Apple. Next we have an option to switch towards the dark mode or light mode if you wish. Then you can set up the Apple Intelligence, the camera control button, action button and the Siri options. After doing that, there you go and you will be on the main screen, and this is the simplest process through which you can set up your iPhone 17 Pro Max. I hope this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to switch off the iPhone 17 Pro Max in 4 different ways. So let's begin the video. If you wanted to switch off the iPhone 17 series, one method is using by side button and the volume keys. So press and hold the side button and the volume up or down button together for a few seconds. You will get this page. Slide to power off to shut it down. Slide this power button to the right and your iPhone will be turned off. Now, in order to switch it back on, hold down the side button for a few seconds until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Now release the side button and your iPhone will be turned on. Now the second method is also really simple. You just need to first go to your settings. Then you will select general and then scroll down till the end and you will get to see the shutdown button. Tap on it. And on this page, slide this power icon to the right and it will turn off your device. The third method is also really simple. You just need to slide from the top right corner and you will see a power button in here. Just press and hold that power button for a few seconds and then release it. Just slide onto the right side and it will shut down and your iPhone will be turned off. So guys, that is it in this particular video. If this video has helped you out, do consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Peace. So guys, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is here, and in this video, I will be showcasing you 3 simplest, unique and brand new methods to take a screenshot on your device. Starting with the first method, you just need to press the power and the volume up button simultaneously at the same time and immediately release it. You can take the screenshot quite easily. As you can see, I am doing that. But do note that if you press and hold both of these buttons, then the power menu will appear. So definitely you just need to press and release them immediately in order to take the screenshot with this method. Moving towards the second method, which is a unique one. First, you will need to open up your screenshot app in your device, then press on the plus icon on the top right corner of the device. Search for the take screenshot button in the search action and just select that particular take screenshot action. Press the done button. Now the screenshot has been added. Now after that you will need a few more steps. Open up your settings and scroll down towards the action button menu and you will see a bunch of options for the action button. You need to select the shortcut and then select the screenshot menu. Now it is added to the action button, and in order to take the screenshot you just need to press and hold the action button and you can take the screenshot quite easily with this method. Finally, we have a double tap to take a screenshot option, and in order for that to work you need to open up your settings, scroll down towards the accessibility, open it up and scroll down to touch, and scroll down towards the end where you will see a back tap option. Just tap on it, select the double tap and menu will appear. Select a screenshot from the list and you are good to go. Now just double tap on the phone back and you can take the screenshot quite easily using that particular method. So guys, these are the simplest methods through which you can take a screenshot on your device. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. If you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for this year and the next year. Thanks for watching. Peace. Hey, what's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showcasing you how to screen record with the audio on your iPhone 17. Currently I'm using the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but this method will be working on all the iPhone 17 series devices. In order to screen record with the audio, first of all you need to add the screen recording button in your control center. In order to do that, you need to swipe from the top right corner to open up the control center. And at the top left you will see the plus icon. Tap on that and you will see an add control button at the bottom. Tap on that and here you will see a bunch of control options are going to be available. In these control options there is a screen recording button. Just tap on that and it is going to be added into the control center. Now you have the option to resize the screen recording button depending upon your need. And once you have satisfied, just tap on the empty area and the screen recording button will be added on that. Now after that, in order to turn on the screen recording alongside with the audio, you just need to press and hold the screen recording button and a menu will pop up here. You can see that at the end there is a mic. Just tap on that and it will be turned on the mic, which means that from now on you can screen record your device with the audio as well. Now the third step is that in order to record the screen you just need to press the screen recording button and it will showcase a countdown at the top of the dynamic island. And after that countdown you will see a red icon on the top left and it means that the screen recording has been started. Now in order to turn off the screen recording, either you can push the button or you can use the dynamic island and stop the recording from there. As you can see, it has been stopped and now this recording has been saved into the photos. Now the screen recording has been started in here as you can see, and whenever you want. So guys, this is the simplest method through which you can screen record with the iPhone 17 series devices. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. If you have any question, feedback, you can comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys, in this video I will be showcasing you how to turn on or off the silent mode on your iPhone 17. Now this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but this will work on all the iPhone 17 models. So in order to turn on the silent mode on or off, there is an action button on the left side. You just need to press and hold that particular action button in order to turn on the silent mode. As you can see, I am pressing and holding the action button right now and it has turned on the silent mode. Now pressing and holding it again will turn off the silent mode and bring it to the ring mode. Now there is another method which you can also use to turn on or off the silent mode if you have remapped the action button to use for something else. Now this button is permanent one and it will be available in the control center. In order to enable that, you just need to swipe from the top right corner of the device and here you can see the bell icon is going to be available. Just tap on that and it will turn on the silent mode. As you can see, the silent mode is turned on. By tapping it again, you will notice that the silent mode will be turned off. So guys, this is the permanent method even if your action button has been remapped to something else. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. So if you have any question or query, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to force restart your iPhone 17. This will work on all the iPhone 17 model. Currently, I'm using the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but this will work on all the devices. So basically, force restart button is going to be helpful for you in case you are running into a bit of a problem like hanging or phone becoming laggy or there has been a software glitch. Even it is going to be helpful for you if the normal restart button is not working. Now in order for this method to work, you just need to press the volume up and the volume down button which are on the left side of the device and long press the power button which is available on the right side continuously until you see the dark screen and the Apple logo appears. Then force restart button will be helpful. Now make sure do this without the cable because if you connect a cable to the computer, maybe you are charging the device or for any other reason, then this might put the iPhone into DFU mode or in the recovery mode. So let's do this together. Press the volume up, volume down and long press the power button. As you can see, the power menu is going to be appearing which is the slide button. Without pressing any other button, you just need to continuously press the power button until you see the Apple logo. So guys, here is the Apple logo you see and voila, the iPhone has been force restarted. So basically this is going to be simplest method through which you can successfully force restart your iPhone 17 devices. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to turn on or off the always on display on your iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices. Now, in order to turn on the always on display on your iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices, you need to open up your settings, scroll a bit and open up the display and brightness. In here, scroll a little bit further and you will find out the always on option. Tap on that. And in here, by default, you will see the always on display is turned on. Now, in order to turn off that always on display, just tap on that and it will be turned off. Now, in the future, if you want to turn it back on, you just need to tap on that and it will be turned back on. Now, here is mentioned that the always on display will be dim the light and it will give you information about the time, calendar, etc. So as you can see, locking the screen will give the dim light to the always on display. But if you turn this off and lock it, it goes completely black. So guys, that is how you can turn on or off the always on display on your iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. If you have any query or question, you can mention that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to turn on the 120Hz refresh rate on your iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices. By default, it is going to be activated on 120Hz refresh rate, but if it is not enabled, then you need to open up your settings, scroll down the accessibility, and in the vision department, find out the motion. Tap on that, and in here at the bottom, you will see the limit frame option. If it is turned on, then this means that it has been reduced to 60Hz display. So you need to turn that off in order to get the maximum potential of 120Hz on your iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max. So guys, in this way you can turn on the 120Hz refresh rate on your iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices. I hope this video has helped you out in some way, and if you wanted to see some other videos regarding the iPhone 17 series, then there has been a bunch of how-to videos. Check them out as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to hard reset your iPhone 17 series devices. Currently, I'm using the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but this method will be working on every single iPhone. So let's get started. In order to hard reset, the first thing you are going to do is to locate your volume up and the volume down button and then this power button as well. So you need to follow the sequence of steps in which you quickly press and release the volume up, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the screen goes completely black and then Apple logo appears. So in order to do that, it's going to be volume up and volume down quickly and then press and hold the side button. and I try to avoid touching the screen. It's going to say slide to power off. Just keep on holding that power button until the screen goes black, just like that. And once the Apple logo appears, let go of that power button, and that's going to hard reset your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now this method itself of hard reset will not delete anything of your data, so all your photos, videos, apps will still be available on your iPhone. Now I'm going to show you what you need to do if you are looking to hard reset in a way that you want to delete all of your information. In order to do the hard reset, you are going to go into your settings on your iPhone, and then from there on you are going to click on general and then scroll all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone. When you click there, you will see erase all content and settings button. When you click on that, it will say that it will erase all of your iPhone. Basically another form of hard reset. If you want to completely remove everything, basically you want to sell your iPhone or giving it away, then this is the step that you want to follow. This will basically delete everything. Once you click on erase iPhone, it will delete everything on your iPhone, and this cannot be undone. So before even doing this, I would recommend that you should back up your device data on iCloud or your computer so that you can restore whenever you need it. So guys, basically that is the way through which you can hard reset on your iPhone. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. In this video, I will be showcasing you how to activate the Siri and Hey Siri on your iPhone 17 series devices. I'm using the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but this method will be working on every iPhone. First of all, you need to open up your settings, and in here, scroll down a little bit and you will find out the Apple Intelligence and Siri. Just tap on that, and here you will find out Talk to Siri option. Tap on that, and you will find out that the Hey Siri and Siri is being disabled right now, and the only thing which is enabled is Siri through power menu. If you press the power menu, you will see that the Siri has been activated, and when I say Hey Siri, it does not respond. So in order to activate that, you just need to go towards the same place, and here you have to activate both the Siri and Hey Siri option instead of just Hey Siri. And whenever you tap on Siri and Hey Siri option, you will notice that there is a menu that has been pop up, which means that you have to train the Siri with your voice. Now press continue and just train the Siri with your voice. Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get direction home. Siri, play some music. Now after training the Siri, just press the done button and you have trained the Siri. Now whenever you say Hey Siri, it will activate. Hey Siri, what is the time? And as you can see, I have activated the Siri using that particular method, and it has been responding. So this is the simplest method through which you can activate the Siri on your device. So basically this is the simplest method. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year and the next year. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showcasing you how to change the font size on your iPhone 17 or the iPhone 17 Pro. So this is very simple. You just need to open up your settings. Under settings, scroll down to the display and brightness. Tap on that, and then you should see the text size. Now if you tap on that, you should see a slider and a sample. So if you want to, you can just use this dot to move to the right to increase the size, or move to the left to decrease the size. And then you can actually see it in real time. The font size has been increasing or decreasing. So for instance, if I select that, you can actually see the font is much bigger, and when I hit the back button, you can see everything looks much more bigger. Now as you can see in the main menu, all icons has been in a bigger size. Okay, if you want the font size to be even bigger, you can go into accessibility and then go to the display and text size. And then from here on, turn on the large text. So tap on that and then select the slider on the top right corner of the device. And as you turn on that particular slider on, you will notice that there has been a new slider at the end which increased the size of that particular dot. You will notice that the screen font size has been increased. Now, when you go back to the main screen, you will notice that the font size has been increased and it's going to be pretty massive. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Basically, this is the method through which you can adjust the font size on your iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to restart your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or any other iPhone in two different ways. So let's get started. The first and the simplest way, it's going to be using the buttons. Here you can see there is a volume up and a volume down button along with this slider button. What you need to do is to quickly press and release the volume up, followed by quickly press and release the volume down button, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears there. At that time, you will let go the side button. So again, quickly press and release the volume up, volume down and hold on to the side button. While you are doing that, make sure that you do not touch on the screen. It will mess up the process of the sequence. And once you do that, you will see Apple logo up here. And then you will let go the side button, and that is going to go ahead and restart your iPhone without losing any of your data. All of your photos, videos, apps will still be available on your iPhone. You don't have to worry about it. And if it does not work very first time, go ahead and try it again. Sometimes it does take a few tries to get the hang of this device. Just make sure you press volume up, volume down quickly before holding onto the side button. Now another simple and easier way is using your Siri. If you have Siri enabled, then you just need to issue a command to Siri. To do that, simply say, Siri, restart my iPhone. Once you have shot the command, Siri will ask you to confirm by simply saying yes. And Siri can also go ahead and restart your iPhone without having any button methods. So for some reason, if your buttons are not working or that method is not working for you, then you can go ahead with the Siri method and it will give you exactly same result and restart your device quite easily. So guys, these are the two simplest methods through which you can restart your iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max or any other iPhone in the 17 series devices and any iPhone. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I will be showcasing you how to turn on the flashlight on the iPhone 17 or the iPhone 17 Pro. In fact, I will be showcasing you three different ways of doing that. Now, the first method is really simple. You just need to swipe down on the unlocked iPhone to open the control center and tap on the torch icon on the control center, and that should turn on the flashlight. As you can see, the flashlight has been turned on. Open up the control center from the top right corner and touch on the same torch icon and it will be turned off. Now in case you don't find the torch icon, you just need to long press in an empty area in the control center and tap on the add control and then look for the torch icon in this list. Okay, you should find this somewhere in the utility section. Now just tap on that and it will be added into your control center. Now just tap on that and you will notice that both the torch buttons has been turned on, which means that the flashlight has been on. Now to turn that off, you simply just press that button and it will be turned off. Now another way of doing this is directly from the lock screen. In case you haven't tampered with the lock screen shortcuts, then you will be noticing that one of the lock screen shortcut is actually a torch and you can do this. So if you long press on the torch screen, like right on the lock screen button, that's going to turn on the flashlight. And you can turn it off again like that by long pressing like that. And that's turned off the flashlight. Now the other thing you can do is if you want to reprogram the action button to become the torch button. So if you go into your settings, then go to the action button and then instead of being the silent mode, you can set it to the torch button. Once you set it up to the torch, when you long press the action button, it will turn on the flashlight. And again, when you long press that particular action button and it will turn off the flashlight. So basically these are the three simplest methods through which you can turn on or off the flashlight. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. If you have any question, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to turn off the passcode on your iPhone 17 series devices. Now I'm using the iPhone 17 Pro Max device, but this works on all the iPhone 17 and older models as well. So if you want to put the passcode to unlock your iPhone and you no longer wanted to use that functionality, then you can go ahead and disable it. So to do that, you just need to open up your settings. Under settings, scroll down to the Face ID and password. Then enter the current passcode, the one you want to disable. As soon as you enter your current passcode, that is going to allow you to get into your Face ID and passcode setting page. Now here, what you want to do is scroll down and find the passcode off. So tap on that. It's going to ask you if you want to turn off the passcode. Confirm by tapping on turn off. It may ask for your Apple ID password, so just go ahead and provide that. And once you enter your Apple ID and password, and that will turn off the passcode. Once you do that, that is the way you now disable the passcode. So from now on, you don't need any passcode to get into your iPhone. So basically guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showcasing you how you can fix the iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone with a black screen like this. So you want to follow this quick tip or fix, so let's get started. Now the first thing which you are going to do is to locate your volume up and volume down button along with this big side button. So you are going to follow this process, which is you are going to quickly press and release the volume up and then quickly press and release the volume down button and then hold on to the side button. So here I'm going to be doing the volume up, volume down, and then you hold on to the side button just like that. And you are going to be keep holding until you see the Apple logo appear and then you release it. And you wanted to try this method as many times as you need until you get that Apple logo to appear. So if it does not work for the very first time, then keep on trying it. This is going to be the way to fix that black screen issue. Now, for some reason, sometimes it goes into the DFU mode where it's stuck and it does not turn on just by pressing that side button itself. You just follow this method, quickly pressing, releasing, volume up, volume down, and then hold onto the side button. This method will not delete any of your personal data. All of your photos, videos, apps will still be available on your device. Basically, this is just forcing the phone to restart itself. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful in fixing the black screen on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone that have a black screen. If this video has helped you out in some way, there are some other videos as well regarding the iPhone 17 series. Do check them out as well. If you have any question, query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showcasing you how to turn on the screen mirroring on your iPhone 17 Pro Max devices. To do that, you just need to swipe from the top right corner to open up the control center. And in here, you will find out the screen mirroring option is going to be available. Tap on that. Right now, I have the MacBook Pro available for me, and if I press that, then the screen mirroring will be turned on. Do note that you must have the same Wi-Fi connection connected with the other device, otherwise you will not screen mirror on the other device or the TV as well. Now, if you don't find the screen mirroring on that particular control center, just tap on that empty area and select the Add Control Center. Tap on that. You will find the screen mirroring in here, which is quite easy. Just tap on that and it will be added on your control center. Now just tap on that and your screen mirroring will be turned on. So guys, basically this is the simplest method through which you can screen mirror on your iPhone 17 Pro Max devices. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showcasing you how to set up the Face ID on your iPhone 17 or the iPhone 17 Pro. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is to open up your settings. Under settings, scroll down to Face ID and password and tap on that. Under that, you should see set up Face ID. Now before you can set up the Face ID, you need to have to set up a password or the passcode. Because if you tap on the setup Face ID, then it's going to be asking you to get it started. Anyway, let's get started. So just tap on that and get started button and it's going to launch your face. And then you want to position your face in that little box just like that. And then just swivel your face around and allow the sensor to capture your face. Now once it's registered, you can also register Face ID with a mask. And then if you want to use the Face ID with the mask, you can select that as well. But also you have the option to select this setup later. So for the sake of this video, I will be tapping on setup later. And now the Face ID is set up. It's literally that simple. Just tap on done and that's it. So like I have said earlier that a passcode will be needed together with the Face ID. So in case the Face ID is not available, for some reason it is not working, then you need a passcode. So I'm just going to setting up a simple passcode. Make sure that you have a good passcode that cannot be easily guessed. Anyway, I'm just going to tap on using the same password, which is pretty simple. After that, you will have to re-enter the passcode again. And you guys, after entering the password, now sometime you will be required to sign in with your Apple ID, just because Apple is going to be confirming that you are actually the person who has been changing the passcode or entering the password for your device. So guys, that is the simplest method through which you can set up your Face ID on your iPhone 17 series devices. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. If you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel, or if you have any question or query, just comment down below. Thanks for watching. Peace. Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix the notification that won't work when the iPhone is turned off on iOS 26. So let's get started. The very first thing which you want to do for this is going into your settings and then look for sound and haptics. And what you want to do is a little bit weird, but you want to basically turn on silent mode, turn it off, turn it on back 3 or 4 times. Just go ahead and do that, and that should basically fix the bug that is going to be not showing the notification when you update your system. So just keep on doing for a few times. Now the next thing you want to do is to go back to the main settings and go to the notification itself. And for each of the app that you are not getting notification, you want to review to make sure, for example, messages app allow is on. These options are on as well. Things like lock screen notification and banners as well. Same with any other app that you are looking to get notification from, you just simply turn on it. Make sure lock screen and notification is turned on, so just go through the list as well. And once you have done that, the next thing you are going to do is to go ahead and do this simple force restart on your iPhone. So you are going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button. So I'm going to be doing the volume up, volume down, and then I'm holding on to the side button just like that. And you are going to keep on holding until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. As you can see here, I'm holding on and then I let go once I see the Apple logo. And if it does not work for the very first time, try again. Now this method will not delete any of your data, completely safe to do. So go ahead and try this method. And once you are back on, go back into your phone, and after that, if the notification still won't work, go into your settings. This time we are going to go to the general, scroll down to the transfer reset iPhone, click on reset, and we essentially need to reset all settings. So you enter your phone passcode. This will reset all the settings themselves. None of your data will be deleted, like your photos, videos, apps. They are still going to be on your phone. But the important step to still do if you are having issues. Now let's say you did all of this. It could potentially be uncommon issue with your phone where you need to update the phone software. So in your settings, go to general, software update, and check if there is any update. Because if there is any update, the new updates will fix one of those bugs if your device is affected, and you can go ahead and update your device and hopefully it will fix your device. And you guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. So welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to update the time and date on your iPhone on iOS 26. So let's get started. Now, if you are looking to update this time and date on your phone, the first thing is you are going to go into your settings, and then in the main settings, we are going to scroll down to general. Now in general, scroll a little bit further where you have date and time. So you are going to tap on that. And by default, your phone automatically set the date and time based on your zone and whatever the network you are connected to. However, if you like to change that, you can turn off the set automatically and then we can change the date if we like. So we can change it to whatever date we want here. Additionally, we can also change the time here by doing the scroll up and down time minutes and then PM or AM. Keep in mind when you do change this right, you can also change a time zone. So if you are in the wrong time zone, let's say I'm in the wrong time zone, I can pick one of them, maybe a different time zone that I'm in. So I'm going to be picking my time zone, and now as you can see here, the date and time can be updated based on the time zone as well, or you can manually also change it. But it is very important that you want to keep this time to be the current time, because certain services will stop working on your iPhone if the time and the date is not correct. So make sure set correctly if you are manually setting them. But ideally you want to set them automatically, as that way there is no issue you may experience. But if you do decide to update them manually, you can do it as well. So I'm going to be keeping it automatically, but you are going to change it according to your liking. And that's how would you change the date and time on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to download and install the apps on your iPhone 17 series by following these steps. So let's get started. The first thing which you want to do is to make sure that you are connected to internet through either your Wi-Fi, which will work the best, or the cellular data. But you will need to be connected to internet first. The next thing which you are going to do is to go ahead and find the App Store, which is default app on your iPhone, and go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, you might see a menu like this. You are going to tap on this profile icon and make sure you are signed in into your Apple account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free by following these steps or sign in to the existing one. But Apple account is required in order to download any apps. Now, with this requirement met, all you are going to do is to come below in the browse for apps that you want to install. For example, I go and search for, let's say, for example, I wanted to download the HBO Max, and I will see the word get. I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. And then after that, it is going to say install. Click on install, and then you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, all I did was enter my Apple ID password for this account. I'm going to hit confirm. You might also be prompted to double click on the side button, or you have an option to save it. It doesn't matter. Or you might be also again prompted to do a Face ID verification. Now it is being downloaded, and I can exit out of this or download another app, and you will see in the home screen the app is being downloaded and installed at the same time. If you don't see it on the home screen, try to swipe to the very last page under recently added. You can also find the app there. So guys, that's how you can download and install any app on your iPhone 17 series. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to use the Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 17 series on the latest iOS 26 variant. So let's get started. The first thing is that you are going to open up your settings, and then you want to connect to internet through either your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. I will recommend Wi-Fi will work best for you. After that, in your settings, scroll a bit further, you are going to see Apple Intelligence and Siri. You are going to go ahead and click on that, and this is where the Apple Intelligence toggle is available. So if you want to turn it on, just simply press the toggle button. What's going to happen is it's going to be downloading the support file for the Apple Intelligence. As it say here, connect to Wi-Fi and power. So make sure you also have the enough charge on your iPhone, at least a good amount of charge. If it's under 20%, you want to charge it while you are doing this. And you are going to wait for this to appear. Sometimes it might tell you to join waitlist depending upon if there is a waitlist. But you should see here it start downloading. And then you also want to make sure you turn on Siri if you haven't done. So click on Siri. You are going to either use the first option or the second option. And then we are going to go with the first one here, enabled Siri. Then press next, and on the next hit continue, and basically go through the process. Siri, how is the weather? Siri, Send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And now Siri is ready. And we are going to go ahead. If you want to share your recording, I usually don't, so press on continue. And now you should see Apple Intelligence here. Should be downloaded, ready to go. I can press and hold on this to go ahead and activate the Siri. Or if I don't, you can always go ahead and press the side button here, or you can say, hey Siri, and as you can see, when the borders are lighting up here, essentially activate the Siri and it's processing with the Apple Intelligence. Now, if you don't see the borders and you see just the Siri icon, that means you haven't turned on the Apple Intelligence. So guys, that's how you can use this, and you can go ahead and start interacting with it and issues command like you should with the iPhone with this Apple Intelligence turned on with Siri. There is also a feature here with the ChatGPT if you wanted to use that as well, which can be a part of this. As you can see, your Siri and other features can use to answer questions. You can go ahead and set it up if you have this account. If you have a personal account, you hit next and then enable it and go through the process. Now, by default, it's going to be free one. It's a limit. And if you want to upgrade to the plus one, you can. And that will integrate with your phone. So guys, that is how you can enable the Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned. And you guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix your Wi-Fi connectivity issue on your iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices. So let's get started. The first thing which you want to do is to go ahead and pull down the control menu from the top right corner. Put your phone on airplane mode briefly and then turn it off. And then try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. That does a quick network refresh. So if you are having an issue, go ahead and check that. Now, next thing you can do is that if you are looking to connect to one of the Wi-Fi which you have already connected, just simply go there and click on forget this device. And then go ahead and reconnect to that device again, and that should help as well. Now, if that method is not working, the next step which you want to do is to go ahead into your settings, then general, then scroll down where it says transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset and you want to do a network reset, which will reset all of your saved Wi-Fi and connections that you have ever had. Basically, you reconnect them again. This will not delete any of your data, simply just going to go ahead and do this for about 10 or 15 second wait. So basically you will see an Apple logo flash deleting all of those Wi-Fi connection and also the Bluetooth connection. You will simply just go ahead and reconnect again when it turns back on. So we are going to go ahead and check to make sure that does that. Again, this method is safe, will not delete any of your data. So we are going to wait here for Apple logo to appear. And now after doing this, if you are still having an issue, the next troubleshooting step would be that you want to check out your VPN. Basically, VPN is known to interfere with the Wi-Fi connection. So I would recommend is going into your settings, go into general, and then you are going to look for your VPN and device management. So if you're using the VPN, here the first thing which is recommended is turning off the VPN and seeing if you can connect with your Wi-Fi or not. Now, if you find that you can connect, it's mostly likely the VPN, and I would recommend that you should delete the VPN, connect to Wi-Fi, and if that works, then that's good. And if you want to reuse the VPN, go ahead and set it up again. Along with that, it's going to be a bug fix that might be coming out for this. It seems like the VPN on the Wi-Fi on iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max does have an issue. So in coming days, you should see in the settings, go to general and then software update, check for that update, which will fix this. Of course, you may have to update your phone through your computer if you cannot do that using your Wi-Fi because it is not connected. But essentially, you want to go ahead and update your phone to fix a bug that is causing the Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone that may be stuck on the setup process on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max devices. So let's get started. So if this happens, this is a step you are going to follow. You are going to go ahead and quickly press and release the volume up, and then quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black. So I'm going to do that volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to this side button, and we are going to keep on holding on that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So as you can see here, I'm holding on to that side button and wait until the Apple logo reappears before I let go that side button. And once that Apple logo appears, I will let go, and then you are going to be prompted to start over and then set up the phone. Again, that is fine, but this is a step you are going to follow to ensure that it does not happen again, and that's going to be doing a software update on the phone. And you might be wondering, how do I do that? Well, we are going to show you how to set up. So when it comes to setting up your phone right, instead of moving your data and SIM over right away, set it up without entering any of your data. So you are going to go through each of the prompt where you don't enter your Apple ID, you don't transfer any data, and you are going to go into your main screen. Once you have got to the main screen, here you are going to ensure go into your settings and then go to general and do a software update through your Wi-Fi. The reason why that is, there are some bugs fixing going on with this iOS version, so we need to go ahead and update it. Once you have updated the iPhone, it's time to reset the phone to factory and then set it up again. So for this, in the settings, you are going to go back to the main settings, go to general, scroll all the way down to transfer and reset iPhone, click on erase all content, and then you're going to go ahead and reset this iPhone with the new update. Of course, that just happened, so it will keep that new software update, and then you are going to go ahead and set it up this time again, and this time around you will not have the issue. This is going to be the workaround on fixing the bugs fix that may be causing your iPhone 17 Pro Max to be stuck on that setup screen. And that's how you are going to do that. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone where the touch is not working. So you have no touch on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone that you have with all the screen like this. You are going to follow this one quick process to fix it. What you are going to do is to locate the volume up, volume down button, and then this big side button. So we are going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button just like that. Just keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo, and then you let go. And that should go ahead and fix the touch screen, whether it is unresponsive, frozen, stuck. It's going to be the quickest way to go ahead and fix it. This method will not delete any of your personal data, so all the photos, videos, apps will be safe on your phone. And if it does not work for the very first time, keep on trying it. You can do it as many times as you need to without having to worry about the data being lost. After doing that, your touch should work, and if you are having no touch problem on your iPhone, again do this method, because this is the simplest method and very effective troubleshooting step when it comes to fixing any iPhone iOS software related issue. Hopefully, following these steps, you should be able to fix your issue. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix the focus issue on your camera for the iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone that you have. So let's get started. Now, there are multiple things you can do to fix the issue. The first thing which I would recommend, that if you have a case on your iPhone, removing the case that can interfere with the front camera or the back camera. Sometimes those cases have a cover or they get in a way where they mess with the actual focus. Now, along with that, make sure your lens are clean. So take a microfiber cloth like that, wipe them down. Over time, there could be buildup of oil, dust, debris that could also interfere with the zoom and the focus. Here, you want to make sure they are cleaned. Do same with the front one as well. If you are having issue, just simply wipe it. You don't have to do too much. Just take a simple microfiber cloth and wipe it down. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to ensure is that if you have put on a new tempered glass, especially if it's for the front one or the screen protector, make sure that isn't causing the front camera to not focus. Same with the back camera. If you have put on the camera cover lens, then I would recommend that removing them as they can interfere with the focus as well. Now, the next tip is going to be actually utilizing the camera app itself. So when it comes to focusing, you always wanted to tap on the area that you are looking to focus. When you do that, it helps the camera focus on the object. Here, if you just happen to do it all over by default, it could also go ahead and not focus. Now, along with that, the next thing which is going to be checking these two setting outs. So in your settings on your iPhone, go over to the camera, and from here scroll down where you have these two settings. First one is the lens correction. By default, this is turned on to correct the lens distortion. So I would recommend that turning off and then check if the camera focus is better. Another setting you can turn off is that macro control. Again, this will be switching your ultra wide camera to do a macro, which can activate the different lenses, causing it not to focus correctly. So go ahead and try that one, and then the combination where you have one of them is on and the other one is off, and see which one works better for you in terms of the focus. Now, along with that, if still having an issue, it's time to go ahead, close out the camera app like that, and that will close the phone camera. Now, when you reopen it again, it will have a fresh start and maybe your focus will be correct. Now, if the problem is still there, then go ahead and do this process. We are going to quickly press and release the volume up, and then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I will be doing volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that. And you keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. This is known as force restart, which basically shut it down and the phone software reloads the code. And once you see the Apple logo, you will let go the side button. This method is safe, will not delete any of your data from time to time. You want to do this in order to fix any issues you are having on your phone in software. So once you are back, and if you are still having the issue, go into your settings, go to journal, software update, and check if there is an update out here. And if there is any update, you go ahead and update your phone to the latest version. The reason is simple, that previous update might have caused an issue with the focus, and the new update will help you out in order to fix that issue as well. So updating to the latest software will fix this bug. And yo guys, these are the simple steps which you can follow to fix the camera focus issue on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. If you have, hey, what's up guys, in this video I will be showcasing you how to fix the Face ID which is not working on your iPhone 17 series or any other iPhone. Now, the first thing which you want to do is to ensure that your camera is working. You can open up your camera app and just turn on the front facing camera, and if it is working, then your camera is going to be looking great. But if it is going to be black, then there is a concern and you should follow the second step. After that, close the camera app, and the next thing which you want to do is to go ahead and restart your phone by pressing the volume up, volume down, and then holding on to the side button. So I'm going to be pressing the volume up, volume down, and I'm going to be going ahead and holding on to the side button. Make sure you press the volume up followed by the volume down quickly and hold them on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and we see the Apple logo. So I'm going to wait until the Apple logo is going to be appearing on, and that's basically shutting down the phone software and reloading the code. It's an important step to do. The code can sometimes be glitchy or not working the way it should. And of course, restarting always helps. It will reset the device, and this method again will not delete any of your personal data. After restarting, you are going to be prompted to enter your passcode. Go ahead and enter that. And now if it's still not working, you go into your settings of your iPhone, and then from there on you want to go ahead into your screen time option. There you will find out a content restriction option. If it's allowed here, we need to disable that. It could be interfering the actual Face ID. So turning it off will actually going to help you. You can always turn it back on when you need it. Once you turn that off and see if your Face ID is working or not. Now, if your Face ID is not working, then move to the next troubleshooting step. Go into your Face ID setting itself and enter your phone passcode, and you should notice a couple of things here. You will see that you have already registered with the Face ID. You can do that to reset the Face ID. That should delete the previous Face ID. Now, after resetting that, it just delete the old Face ID and it should say setup here. Go ahead and set it up and hit that setup option. Of course, you will follow the things that you set up the Face ID, which is going to reset it, and hopefully after doing that, it will work for you. Now, once you have done that, if your Face ID is still not working, then the next thing to do is to make sure that your phone is up to date. Now, in order to update your device, go into your settings, then general, and then software update. And here you will find out if there is any new update or not. Right now, there is an update available. So you just need to update that because it will fix these issues. Hopefully after doing that, it will work for you. Other advices that I recommend is that if you recently put a screen protector, sometimes they can get in the way. So make sure the screen protector isn't getting in the way. Take a clean cloth and ensure that the area between the camera and the sensor is going to be clean, because sometimes the dust is going to be on that area, which can cause the sensor to not work properly. So guys, these are all the settings you need to do to ensure the Face ID is going to be working. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year and this year. Thanks for watching. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to adjust the icon size on your iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices. So as you can see, currently I have small icons with the name. To make them bigger, or if they are big, to make them smaller, just you want to go to your settings. So in settings, scroll down towards the display and brightness, tap on that, and then scroll down to display and zoom, tap on that, and then you can choose them large text or default. I'm going to be choosing the large text and it will make the icon larger. Now you can choose the default and it will give you another menu which says standard. If you tap on that, it will make the device to the standard and all the icons are going to be smaller with the name. Now, there is another method where you can adjust the icon size. Just long press on an empty area on your main screen and then tap on edit in the top left corner. And from the menu, select customize. And then from this menu at the bottom, if you tap on that, that is going to make the icons bigger. And if you tap on that again, it's going to make the icons smaller. Now with the bigger icons, you lose the icon's name. So if you prefer to have the icon names, then you are going to have to go with the smaller icons. So guys, these are the two simplest methods through which you can adjust the icon size on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or Air. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to fix the camera control button which is not working on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max devices. So as you can see, I'm pressing on my camera control button and it is not opening up the camera app. So in order to fix this, what you need to do is to open up your settings, then scroll down towards camera, and at the top you will find out camera control button. Now in the camera control button, you will see the launch camera control. Now if you press that button, you have multiple options available in here. You just need to select the camera and now your camera control is going to be working fine and it is going to be open the camera app. As you can see, I'm pressing the camera control button and it is opening up the camera app. So guys, this is the simplest method through which you can fix the camera control button which is not working on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to use the action button on your iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro or the Pro Max devices. So to use the action button, just long press on it to activate it. So if I long press on it, by default, it is on silent mode and it will turn on the silent mode. And if I long press it again, it will turn off the silent mode. Okay, now if I press it once, it just show me the current status. So currently you can see if I press it once, it's on a ring mode. But if I press and hold it, it changes to the silent mode. And now if I press it once again, it tells me that I am on a silent mode. So basically when you press it once, it tells you in which mode you are in. Now, this action button is actually customizable on the iPhone 17 series. And to do that, you just go to your settings. So on the setting page, scroll down and you should see the action button. Tap on that. And then as you can see, it's currently set to silent mode. You can switch it to something else. So for instance, if you want to change it to become a focus mode, you can use that. You can also change it to be the camera mode, and you can also have the torch mode and voice mode. And there are other bunch of other action button features as well. And one of them is shortcut, which is pretty amazing. You can set any shortcut which you have set up in your shortcut app to be as an action button feature. Now moving on, if I set it to the voice memo and go to the home screen, you just need to press and hold it to record the voice memo. And as you can see, it's recording right now. And when I press and hold the action button again, it will stop recording. And that is basically the functionality of that action button. Now, if I change that action button to other modes like the torch mode, and now if I press and hold the action button, you will notice that the torch light has been turned on. Now, if I press and hold it again, and it will be turned off. So basically, this is the simplest method through which you can use the action button on your device. So guys, that is basically how to use the action button on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max devices. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Thanks for watching. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to create this special 3D effect on your iPhone 17 series, iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max or iPhone 17 Air. The process is very simple. What you are going to do is to just open up your wallpaper application, which is swiping down from the top left corner, and press and hold in an empty area. And here you will be entering into the customization of wallpaper option. Just press on the customization. If you want to customize that particular wallpaper, here you will see a polygon option which has already been turned on, and the special effect is there. If you press it, you will notice that there is nothing going to be. If you press it, you will notice that there is not going to be any 3D effect on that particular image. Now, if you press it again, you will notice that it has been changed to a special 3D effect. Now, in order to add your own personal image, just tap on that plus icon and select any photos which you want to create a special 3D effect. Now, I'm going to be selecting this Apple logo image, and as you can see, there's a clean difference between a foreground and a background between this particular image. And if we press on that polygon button, you will notice that a 3D effect has been created. So guys, this is the simplest method through which you can create a special 3D effect on your iPhone 17 series. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to quickly fix your iPhone 17 having a Bluetooth connectivity issue. So let's get started. Now this could be on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or iPhone 17 Air or any other iPhone, it doesn't matter. If you recently set it up, you might be experiencing Bluetooth connectivity issue, and in order to fix this, you are going to follow this simple tip. So all you are going to do is to go into your settings on your iPhone and then go to general and then scroll all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone. You are going to tap on that. Click on reset, and the reset that you need to do is the network reset. So when you do a network reset, basically it resets the settings that you connected to any Bluetooth device in the past or any Wi-Fi as well. You have to reconnect to them, but it's important to do this network reset in order to reset the network on your phone. Again, this will not delete any of your data, so all your apps, videos, photos will be saved. And then you are going to try to reconnect to the Bluetooth device that you had previously have an issue. It's a quick fix. Again, this happened with the new iPhone, or if you are recently upgraded or moved all of your data over some reason. There could be a bug or a glitch. Again, not exactly sure why, But this is going to be the quick and the fastest way to fix it until Apple release a new software update to fix this. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to change the clock size on your iPhone 17 Pro Max and the iPhone 17 series overall. So the process is very simple. You just need to swipe from the top left corner and press and hold in an empty area to enter into the wallpaper mode. By default, whichever wallpaper you have, you can customize that. Just press on that customization button. And right here, just under the clock, you will see a new handle. Just press it and drag it down and you can change the clock size just like that. You can change the clock size of choice and then press the down button. Once you have done that, it has been added. And when you are done that, you will see that the clock size has not been changed. Well, this is because there are some notification here. Now, if I clear the notification, as you can see, it's going to be changing the size of the clock. So guys, do note that if you choose the other font option other than the first one, then your clock size will not change. Only the default clock font will be changing the size of the clock, not the other one. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you in some way. If you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for this year and the next year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone camera crashing on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone 17 lineup. This seems to be a common issue that a lot of people are experiencing. You can follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. The very first thing which I would recommend doing is closing out the camera app if you have it running. Like that, by swiping up again, all you are going to do is closing the app and open it again, and it will be going to quickly and easily fix the issue. Next thing you want to do is, because the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the 17 has actual camera button on the right side, this can sometimes get obstructed if you have like a case or something blocking it, or if you accidentally touch and click on it, it's very sensitive. So, well, there is some issues going on right now. As you can see, if I click on it and it locks, sometimes there is a weirdness going on. Sometimes some cases make you accidentally press it, hold it. So try to make sure that the case that you are using does not interfere with this camera control. I would recommend taking that off. Also, if you have any dust or lint build up, clean it with a microfiber cloth as well. Anything that could get in the way of that camera button. Now, the next thing you wanted to go ahead and follow this step, which is you are going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So make sure don't touch the screen while you're doing this process. Quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button just like that until the screen goes completely black, and we are going to wait for the Apple logo to appear, ensuring that you don't touch the screen. So as you can see, I'm holding on to that side button onto the right side, and then I let go once I see the Apple logo. This is known as force restart. Basically, it shuts down the phone software, reloads the code. So if it's a software related issue causing your camera to crash, it should go ahead and fix it. This method will not delete any of your personal data, so all your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. Now, after you have done that, you are still experiencing issue, you are going to go ahead into your settings on your iPhone and then go to General and then scroll down at the bottom which say Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and you are going to reset all the settings. Now this is resetting all the settings themselves, especially if you got a new iPhone. It will not delete any of your data like your photos, videos, apps or anything like that will be there. It only reset the networks, keyboard, home screen layout, handwriting and location privacy settings. After doing that, if you are still experiencing that camera still crashing on, you now finally have the last troubleshooting step, which you can do is to update your device. Apple time to time update its software and give you some bug fixes. So maybe this is a bug which Apple has already known and the update will help you out in order to fix that issue. So what you need to do is to open up your settings. then scroll down to a general, then software update. Now check here if there is going to be any update available for your iPhone, and just like that, if you see any update here, just update your device to the latest software because maybe it's a bug and Apple has already known and it will fix your issue. So guys, I hope these troubleshooting will help you guys to fix your camera crashing issues. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Please consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for this year and the next year. Thanks for watching. Peace. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to clear the cache on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or any other iPhone. So let's get started. Now the first thing which you want to do when it comes to clear the cache, there are different ways to do it depending upon how exactly you want to clear the cache. Most of the time, it's going to be related to your browser like Safari. In that case, you are going to go to your settings and then scroll down to apps and then look for Safari here in the S section. So we are going to be looking for the Safari and then tap on it. And then in here, scroll down a little bit further and we are going to go ahead and clear history and website data. And we are going to select all and then clear. And that's going to clear the cache on the browsing history. Now, if you want to clear cache for apps, it's going to work slightly different. So starting from the main settings, you are going to go to general and then iPhone storage. And from iPhone storage here, we need to go ahead and select the apps that you want to clear cache for. So for example, in this app, we are going to first start with offloading the app, which is basically going to uninstall the app. And then we are going to click on reinstall. So we are going to go on to the App Store and then reinstall this particular application which we have offloaded. So basically this means offloading and reinstalling the app. Now another option along with that, you may also want to delete the app and reinstall it for full cache clear of data and cache. But offload will do the same thing depending on how much you want to basically clear the cache. And you have to do it for each app that you wanted to do that for. And finally, there is another way through which you can clear the cache on your iPhone. iOS already does it internally, but this method will be helpful for you in order to clear the cache. What you are going to do is to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this big side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'm going to be quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button just like that. And I'm going to be keep holding until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. At that time, I will let go that side button. And this is going to go ahead basically shut down the phone software completely, reload the codes, which is essentially means clearing the cache in the system that you don't need any longer. It's pretty much hard reset without deleting any of your personal data. So all your photos, videos, apps will still be available on your iPhone. So you should be not worry about that. But what it do, it will clear the cache of the device. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So do consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to change the iPhone 17 Pro Max touch sensitivity or any other iPhone touch sensitivity. So let's get started. The first thing which you are going to do is open up your settings, then go over to accessibility, and under accessibility section, there is a section called physical and motor, and there is going to be a section for touch. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And right under here, there is an option called touch accommodation. If you are having basically trouble with the touch screen, you can adjust the settings so that it can change the touch sensitivity. So we are going to go ahead and turn that on. And as you can see here up top, here we have different options in terms of what kind of touch sensitivity you are looking to change. Most of the time, the one that you are going to be looking to change is your hold duration. Basically, if you want your touch to be slower or faster in terms of recognition, you can just adjust this accordingly so that it knows your touch. So if you put more seconds, it's going to delay the touch versus if you have it very low and it's going to be quicker touch. So faster, quicker, it's going to be able to adjust that according to your need. And also, if you wanted to go ahead and activate the touch accommodation accordingly, you can triple click on the side button at any time to turn on and off the touch accommodation. So you will turn that on, click on. Okay, as you can see, it will be enabled, and then based on that, if I increase this, right, you are going to have different touch sensitivity, and you can play around whichever work best for you. You can select that. As you can see here, touch accommodation will give that message, and if you ever wanted to turn it off without going through the settings, you can just triple click on that and it will go ahead and disable it accordingly for you. And there are other bunch of options. You can go ahead and see these options work for you, but basically adjusting the whole one along with the touch accommodation should help you to change the iPhone sensitivity on your device. So guys, that is in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to fix the iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone overheating issue. You want to follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. So the first thing which you want to do is to go ahead and close out all the running apps. So what you do is to swipe up like this and all the running apps will be showcasing to you. Simply just swipe up one by one until you close all the apps just like that. So that's going to be the first step which you're going to follow. So after doing that, you are going to follow these steps, which is going to be doing is a force restart. So you are going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to this side button until the screen goes completely black. So I'm going to be doing the volume up, volume down, and then holding onto the side button. The key here is quickly press and release the volume up, volume down before holding onto the side button, which is going to shut down the phone completely and then reload the code. And this is important, especially whenever you get a new iPhone, when there is an update, or if you recently transfer your data over to the new phone. It makes the software shut it down and reloads the code. This will not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be safe on your iPhone. So go ahead and do that, and if it does not work for the very first time, keep on trying. Remember, it's just volume up, volume down, press it and quickly release them before holding onto the side button. And once you are back on, your phone should be good to go. Now the next thing which you want to do is to go ahead around your iPhone location services. So what you need to do is to open up your settings on your iPhone and then go ahead on your privacy and security. And ensure if you have a location services on, which is good because a lot of apps will be using the location services. But what you are going to want to do is to go ahead and turn it off momentarily and then turn it back on later. And that does a quick refresh of the GPS on your iPhone, especially if you have been using a lot of apps that are using it. Sometimes they might be stuck on GPS using, so you want to turn that off if you can. I recommend keeping it off for most of the part. Also review apps that are using your GPS because GPS usually wanting to take a lot of battery and also make your phone overheat. So apps that don't require GPS, you can simply click on it and just select it to be never. But of course, if there are apps like Map, you just need to leave it on to next time I'm using it while using the app as much as possible, but never is going to be another option which is going to be always available for you. Next thing you want to do is go into your main setting and here general and then go to the iPhone storage. As you are going to make sure you have some storage available here. As you can see, I have a lot of storage available. You want to have at least 5 to 10 gigabytes available on your iPhone. If you see that it's being used up and you're down to your last couple of gigs, try to delete some apps that you don't use. Photos, videos usually will clear up some space. And the reason why it is important, whenever you launch a new app, right, it will require certain amount of data and that data is not available. It's going to cause all sort of issues such as overheating, freezing, glitching up your phone. So you always wanted to keep some storage freed up on your iPhone. Now, along with that, if you are still having the issue, the next thing which you want to do is to go into your settings, then general, and then this time in the background app refresh. You want to see if you have an apps that are running. So if you have a bunch of apps that are using the background refresh, but that is, it is constantly running in the background, which can drain your battery and also cause it to overheat. So I would recommend that turning it off, the apps that you don't need. The background app refresh to be turned on all the time, because whenever you open up an app or launch it, it's going to pull down that data. With the background app refresh, it constantly goes ahead and tries to get the latest data, and that might not be necessary for a lot of these apps. So I recommend is completely turning it off. But if you want to keep them on, just select the ones you want to turn that on and the other ones off. But keep in mind, whenever you launch the app, it's going to automatically refresh the data. Now, moving on to the next thing you want to do in your setting. Here again, going to the main settings, go to general, and then you are going down to the transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset, and you have to reset all the setting, and this is important, especially if you move your data from old phones. If you upgraded it to iOS 26, what happens is settings sometimes can interfere with the overall performance of the phone, and overheating issues might pop up, and you want to do a reset. And this method will reset things like network related settings like saved Wi-Fi password, Bluetooth connections, and you have to reconnect them again. Any keyboard, dictionary, home screen layout, handwriting, and location privacy setting, all of these settings just simply get reset. But your data on the phone will be saved. All of your photos, videos, apps still be on your phone. So go ahead and do that. Then lastly, the final and the most important thing you want to do is to make sure your phone is up to date on the latest version. As the new iPhone just came out, there is a bug going around, such as camera causing the phone to overheat. Maybe some apps are running the way they shouldn't be. So in order to fix that, you are going to go into your settings, go to general, and go for a software update and check if there is a software update out there. If there is any, update your device, because software updates addresses these issues like camera freezing, performance being impacted. So go ahead and update your phone for the latest version to fix those issues for you. Now, I hope after following these steps, your phone no longer overheats. But keep in mind, one thing is that when you ever get a new iPhone, it is very normal for the first couple of days to feel like the phone is overheating, especially because if you set up your phone, it has to index all of your data if you moved it over to another phone. So it's running in the background things that we can't see. So it might feel like the phone is draining, overheating, glitching, or bugging. But let it wait out for a few days, and hopefully after that your phone is working the way it should. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If so, please consider subscribe and like for my channel, because some amazing content is planned for the next year. Thanks for watching. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone 17 Pro Max lagging. Apply these methods on your iPhone to fix the lag. So let's get started. The very first thing which you want to do, especially if you updated your phone or if you recently got it and move your data over, you need to do this process, which is you are going to quickly press and release the volume up and then volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo appear. So I'm going to be doing the volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that, and make sure that you avoid touching the screen. It will not work, so keep on holding that side button here and wait for the Apple logo to appear. And this is known as a forced restart, which basically shuts down the phone software and reloads the code. As you saw, when I saw the Apple logo, I let go of the side button. And this method will not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be saved on your phone. And you want to try to do that again and again. It's just volume up, volume down quickly before holding on to the side button. If it does not work for the very first time, keep on trying. If it's your first attempt doing it, it does take a little bit to get used to. Now, after you have done that, the next thing which you want to do is to go ahead into your settings, go to general, and then you want to check out your iPhone storage. Now, the reason why this is important, if you moved your data over your phone, which is almost full, and you don't have much storage, you are going to have this lagging issue. Whenever apps open up, they need storage, so you want to see where it says the storage amount. Make sure you have at least 5 to 10 gigabytes available for your phone to launch the apps correctly. It does not lag or freeze up. And if you need to delete some stuff, you can go ahead and delete like apps that you don't use, maybe long videos, photos, anything to clear up your storage. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to check out in your iPhone setting is you are going to go back to the main settings. Just go to General. Here you are going to check out the background app refresh. Here you can see all the apps that have this background refresh, which is basically keep on pulling content on your Wi-Fi or cellular data in the background. And if you have tons of apps, that could really put a lot of stress on the phone, especially when you recently move your data over. So you are going to turn some of them off, and if you want, you can simply turn it all off, because each time you open up an app, it automatically already refreshed that data for you. Now, after you have done that and you have still having the issue, now the next thing you want to make sure that your phone is at least 20% or more charged. The reason that is because when you first initially use the phone has to calibrate its battery. So if it's under 20%, make sure you charge it. I recommend between 20 to 80% is the most ideal recommended one. And if you have low power mode turned on, this setting will also reduce the functionality and make it feel like it's lagging. So you want to turn that off as well and make sure your phone is charged. And along with that, if you are still having the issue, the next thing you can do is in your iPhone setting. Here you are going to go to accessibility, and in the accessibility section, you are going to see motions. You are going to turn on reduce motion. That basically will make sure all the motions on the user interface that could be seen like you are making your phone. Now you can always turn this off later if you find that you want the animation back on your phone. And lastly, you want to go ahead and do this, which is in your settings. You're going to go to General, scroll down where it says Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, and you want to reset all of your settings. Basically, when you do a reset of all the settings, it resets the things like safe Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity devices and keyboard dictionary, any home screen layout, any handwriting and location services. And it's important to do that, especially if you upgraded it or you move things over to the new phone. Things might not work correctly. You can reset the settings themselves. Now the settings will only reset the setting. It will not delete any of your data, but it's important to do that if you simply are finding that the phone is still lagging. And lastly, of course, the biggest and the final thing when it comes to troubleshooting any iPhone is updating the software. As you know, the iOS 26 is the new software, and there is going to be a new update 26.2 which has some bug fixes currently going around. So updating your phone will really helpful for you. In order to update your device, you need to open up your settings, go to General and then Software Update and check if there is any update available. Right now there is an update of 26.2. You can update your device to fix the freezing, lagging, or overheating issues of your phone using the software update. So updating your phone is going to be your best bet. And guys, that is pretty much it in this particular video. I hope your iPhone 17 Pro Max is now fixed and it's not lagging anymore. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to turn off the camera button on your iPhone 17 series. So let's get started. Now, if you click on it, it's going to activate your camera by default, but you can turn it off or disable it so it does not do anything. So in order to do that, what you are going to do is to go into your setting on your iPhone, and then from there on, click onto the option for camera right here. And when you do that, right up top here is going to be the camera control, which allow you to activate your actions whenever you press the camera button. By default, you can see here I can launch the camera here by a single click or double click. Now, if you click on the camera button, you're going to notice this is an option. We can actually switch this camera button to do other things, opting up like code scanner, magnifier, or apps as well. Or you can simply choose none. By choosing none, you are going to disable or turn off that camera button from doing anything. So if I select none and then exit out and I keep on pressing on the camera button, as you can see here, it's no longer activating that camera for me. Of course, camera is still going to work as normal. If I open it up normally just tapping on the app, so it will be open. But if I press on the camera control button, it is not going to be opening up and it does not do anything. So guys, that is how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be showcasing you how to fix your Siri which is not working on your iPhone 17 Pro Max on the iOS 26. So let's get started. Now the very first thing which you want to do is to go ahead into your setting on your iPhone and then go to the Apple Intelligence and Siri. From there on where it says talk to Siri, we are going to select that and we are going to go ahead and turn that setting off, and then it means that the Siri has been turned off. Now after turning off the Siri, we are going to go back to the main setting page, and in here we are going to be selecting the screen time. Now in the screen time we are going to select the content and restriction option, and in here we need to turn on that setting if it is turned off. Now after doing these two settings, go ahead into your phone and then you are going to follow this step, which is quickly press and release the volume up and then quickly press and release the volume down and then hold on to the side button. So I'm going to be doing the volume up, volume down and hold on to the side button just like that in this sequence. And we are going to wait for the Apple logo to appear before we let go of that side button. And that's basically known as a force restart. It will be shutting down the phone software and reloading the code. And if it does not work for the very first time, keep on trying it again. It's just simply volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button and wait for the phone to reboot back to the normal and back to your home screen. It will not delete any of your data. All your photos, videos, apps will be safe. Now once you are in your main settings, it's time to undo these two settings which we have previously set up. First, we are going to go into the phone setting this time and again open up the screen time and select the content restriction and privacy. And if you had the setting turned off previously, just go ahead and turn it off. And then go back to Apple Intelligence and Siri in this main setting page and then go ahead and select the talk to Siri option. So go ahead and press continue and then go through this phrase to set up the Siri. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And once you go through all this step, you're going to hit done and go back. And that should work for you. Now, if it does not work, the next thing you also want to do is to use the side button for Siri. If you want to use that, you can turn that setting on as well. That's optional as an option, but you don't have to do that if you have the Siri set up. The next thing which you need to troubleshoot is language. Certain languages do not support the Siri. I recommend switching it to something like English for United Kingdom or United States and then switching back to the language that will do a reset of your Siri as well. And finally, if that does not work for you, next thing you want to do is in your settings here, go to general, then software update, and you see if there is going to be any software update available. Usually updates coming out if there is going to be any bug, and these updates are going to fix those bugs. As you can see, I have iOS 26.2 came out on the iPhone 17 lineup, but there are some bug fixes that Apple released, and this one addresses that, and you want to go ahead and update it to fix those issues that could be impacting the Siri. And finally, last thing I would say that if you are using the Hey Siri and it's not responding to your phone, you want to make sure especially those mic area are not blocked by the top here. Sometimes some cases interfere, block those, and it makes it difficult for Siri to detect your voice. So you might want to consider doing that and check if Siri works with the side button when we have that turned on. So guys, these are some of the troubleshooting steps which you can follow in order to fix this Siri problem on your iPhone 17 Pro Max in iOS 26. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace.